If you're like most people, you probably had a rough time in 2023. You faced obstacles, losses, and frustrations. You may have felt like giving up on your dreams, your goals, or your happiness, but you didn't. You survived. And now, you have a fresh start, a new opportunity to create the life you want, a new chance to make your mark on the world. But how do you make it happen? How do you turn your vision into reality? How do you make 2024 your year? Well, it's not as hard as you think, but it does require some strategy, action, and mindset. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos like this. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Okay, let's begin. Step 1. Organize your day. The first step to rocking 2024 is to organize your day. You see, time is your most precious resource. You can't buy it, borrow it, or save it. You can only use it or lose it, so you better use it wisely. And the best way to do that is to have a clear plan for your day. Don't just wing it or rely on your memory. That's a recipe for disaster. Instead, write down your daily tasks and prioritize them according to your goals. Use a journal, a planner, or an app to help you keep track of your to-do list. By organizing your day, you will be more efficient, effective, and motivated. Step 2. Ditch the negativity. The second step to rocking 2024 is to ditch the negativity. You know what I'm talking about. The negative people, the negative situations, the negative thoughts. They are all toxic, and they are all holding you back. They are draining your energy, your confidence, and your happiness. So you need to get rid of them as soon as possible. Whether it's a toxic person, a bad habit, or a limiting belief, you need to cut it off and move on. It may not be easy, but it will be worth it. Remember, you can't control everything that happens to you, but you can control how you respond to it. You can't avoid all negativity in life, but you can choose to focus on the positive aspects and learn from the challenges. Don't let negativity ruin your life. Instead, use it as a fuel for growth and change. Step 3. Set goals. The third step to rocking 2024 is to set goals. Goals are the backbone of your success. They give you direction, motivation, and purpose. Without goals, you will be aimless, bored, and unhappy. That's why you need to set goals that are smart, exciting, and meaningful. These are the goals that will make you jump out of bed in the morning, work hard during the day, and sleep well at night. These are the goals that will make you feel alive. But setting goals is not enough. You also need to take action. A goal without action is just a fantasy. So whatever your dream is, don't just think about it, do something about it. Start small, but start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it will never come. Just take the first step, and then the next, and then the next. Be consistent, be persistent, and be patient. Your goals may not be accomplished in a day, a week, or even a year, but if you keep working hard and smart, you will eventually get there. Step 4. Take care of your mental health. The fourth step to rocking 2024 is to take care of your mental health. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health, if not more. If you neglect your mental health, you will suffer from stress, anxiety, depression, and other mental disorders that will affect your quality of life. That's why you need to take care of your mental health by doing things that make you happy, relaxed, and fulfilled. Don't sacrifice your happiness for your goals because your happiness is your goal. Don't isolate yourself from your friends and family because they are your support system. Don't forget to enjoy the present because it is the only moment you have. Your mental health is your greatest asset, so protect it, nurture it, and cherish it. Step 5. Be you. You are unique and awesome. You have your own personality, style, voice, strengths, talents, passions, dreams, goals, and values. Don't let anyone change you or judge you. The right person will love you and appreciate you for being you. Even if you have some flaws or insecurities, remember that you are not alone. Everyone is imperfect, and that's okay. Perfection is not a thing, it's an illusion. You might think someone is perfect, but they are not. They have their own problems, doubts, fears, critics, haters, enemies, flaws, mistakes, and regrets. Everyone has a different opinion on what is perfect. You might be the most beautiful person ever to one person, but the most ugly person ever to another. So one negative opinion is not worth your time or energy. Instead, focus on the positive aspects of yourself and your life. Celebrate your achievements, express your creativity, follow your passion. Be yourself no matter what. You are the only one who can be you, so be the best version of you. You are the star of your own show, the hero of your own story, and the boss of your own life. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.